What's going on, everybody? This is your boy Andrew here, back at again with another video. And today is gonna be so exciting for you guys because I'm gonna show you exactly how I got my first YouTube paycheck, y'all. I remember the first day I started my first video upload, y'all. I didn't really know how to do it. I came from scratch, y'all. I didn't have no mentor. I did it all on my own. So when I first got started, I was like, man, what am I gonna do? As time went on, months went by, I started getting people hitting me up in my email saying, hey, I seen you on your channel. I'm like, hey, that's what's up, you know what I mean? Go subscribe, bro. And then a couple months later, more people started inboxing me. And then people started commenting, people started liking, people started sharing. I'm like, damn. So I gotta go full throttle at this mug. So I started going full throttle, y'all, like a year ago. And then now I finally got my first paycheck through YouTube. And it's been a tremendous blessing, y'all, because I do this for fun. I post videos online for you guys for free, for fun. And a lot of my content is freebies, so that is just a plus right there. So I'm gonna walk you step by step on how I got paid and how I got this letter in the mail from Google AdSense. When I uploaded my first video, you know, I didn't expect a lot of views. I didn't expect feedback, you know what I mean? I didn't expect, you know, people to start hitting me up, none of that. I just want to do it for fun, you know what I mean? So when time went by, you guys, I started getting a lot of feedback from people around the world. Literally, around the world, literally. So when they would hit me up, they're like, hey man, I like your content, I wish you would post more. Another guy, I like what you posted, man, I wish you could post more. A lot of people started saying that to me, so I'm like, damn, I wonder if I should post some more or not. So I posted another one after that. It was related to that video. And sure enough, you guys, my subscriber base was going up, my views were going up, my engagement was going up. Like, damn, I'm like, that's what's up, I'm gonna keep going at it. A year later, I got paid my first YouTube paycheck. And through that time, that's when I got that letter from Google AdSense, right in the middle. And I'm telling y'all, this letter took forever. I'm telling you, this took forever to get in. I was kind of worried. I was like, damn, maybe YouTube, they don't want to partner with me. A few months went by, y'all, I got it in the mail. Google AdSense is a partner on YouTube that's been around for many, many years, y'all. Company that places ads on your website, your platform, through YouTube, any other site that you may have. What Google AdSense does through this letter that I got in the mail, it basically has a pin inside it. So with that pin, you're gonna have to enter it into your Google AdSense account, which is the ads that get displayed on your YouTube channel. So with Google AdSense, this pin took forever, y'all. It took forever. I'm not even kidding, y'all. This took for like at least 6 months. Man, y'all, this took forever. But in a way, it was good because now it's paying. You know what I'm saying? Now my channel is getting paid now. And I'll show you the earnings in a little bit, y'all, so don't worry. I'll walk all you guys through how much I get. So with Google AdSense, it's basically simple. They place your ads on your channel and then you get paid for it. Every 1,000 views, you get paid for it. Every time someone clicks on the ad, you get paid for it. So it's very simple, y'all, and it's very easy to get started through Google AdSense and getting paid through YouTube. I entered it into my YouTube channel, my pin, which is associated through my Google AdSense. So when I entered that mug in, bam, within like a day or two, I started getting paid, y'all. I'm gonna show you my earnings right now. So you guys are probably thinking, damn, that's it? That's how much you got paid? Yeah, that's how much I got paid. But listen, y'all, that was then. Nobody knows how much it is now. You know what I'm saying? This was back early this year when I got paid from YouTube. My first paycheck, you know what I mean? Through Google AdSense. Now it's like almost double, y'all. You know what I'm saying? So when I first started, I didn't think about really getting paid through YouTube. I just wanted to throw a YouTube video up there and see what happens, you know what I mean? But I got a lot of engagement, I got a lot of people, I got a lot of feedback. And then plus, you know, I know a lot of people, I got family, you know, I got people that love me. So they be watching my videos, they be sharing my videos, they be commenting, they be liking it, they be subscribing, all that. So that was you know, a good help, you know, from the get-go, from the beginning, from family and friends to help me. So that was like basically like a boost, you know what I'm saying? So that's what's up. I thank all my family and friends. You know exactly who you are. Thank you so much for subscribing and watching my channel. So yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it on how I got paid through YouTube.com. That was my first paycheck, y'all. If you want any more videos, comment below. Comment any ideas, comment any questions you want. I got you. I'll post them.